What's popping on, is your boy Reggie Beats. Welcome back to my channel, and today I got the MPK Mini again. So today we're gonna be making a fire beat with this little MPK Mini. This is like a secret weapon, and if you wanna buy this, the link is gonna be in the description below. We'll be using FL Studio, you know what I'm saying, so let's get it. Okay, cool, so we're gonna be using FL Studio. Let's get it. Now FL Studio is open. First thing first, you wanna go to options and go to MIDI settings. And then you make sure you can see your MPK Mini. If you can't see it, it means it's not connected. So if you can see it here, click on MPK Mini, then click enable. Now you're good to go. Now you got the weapon. Now you got the gun. You know what I'm saying? Now you need to start shooting. Let's get it. So let's make a beat. We're probably gonna make like, okay, I don't know. Let me just choose a sound here. You know, I like making beats on the spot. Let me look for Nexus. Yes, you know, Nexus is always gonna be our, you know, our childhood hero, you know, and it's still, the sounds here are so much quality, especially the pianos. Okay, I think we might even make a piano type beat. That was dope. Hey, whoa, hey, and that was a mistake, but I'm recording that. Sometimes the mistakes are the best. Okay, it needs to be a bit slower. Okay. Okay, cool. As you can see, I was just playing the C minor. You know, this is just the C minor scale or chord. You know, I can't really play keys, but I know I learned some basics about the keys, so that's why it sounded so good. So let me quantize this. I'm gonna open this, click Control A and Control Q. Now you see it's snapped to grid. If I undo it, look now how it is. You can see it's not snapped to grid, and if I play it, you'll hear it's not gonna sound proper. Sounds a bit too fast a bit, but if I select everything snap to grid, there we go. That's dope, man. You know, you gotta feel your own beats, man. If you ain't feeling your own beats, something is wrong. Stop what you're doing. But, you know, I can teach you how to feel your own beats. Just click the subscribe button below. So now, cool, now we're gonna let's add a clap, because I like adding the groove before I put the 808. The 808 is always my last thing, because that's I think I kill the 808 the most. So let's look for a nice clap or a snare. But I like claps these days because they're so nice and light. So let me go to Cymatics, Black Friday, look for, I love this clap. So we want to play the clap on the MPK Mini, but look at this, once I put the clap here, for some reason it just goes to a lower pitch. I know that can be fixed, I know, but that's just too much work. So that's why I like using the FPC. So when I click open, and then you go to FPC, you see, FPC is so simple. Once you open up the FPC, click by this drop down arrow, go to preset, select empty, because you want the empty one, and then tap on your pad on the MPK Mini or any one that you have. You see that one is flashing there, click this one and drop it right there. You see, now there we go. Now we can record that, and then we have our clap going on. You feel me? Let's go. That's it, simple, man. And then you just open this, Control A, Control Q, everything is good. Okay, so I think this is a bit long, so let's cut down this piano just so it can be like zang, not like ang. Yeah, no, it's too long, so let's make it like that. Yeah, so it can be nice and up to the point, because you're gonna snap a nice 808 there. Okay, cool. Yeah, I like it. So now we put the clap. The next thing, maybe you can, let's get a hi-hat gain going, so we can just go to Cymatics again. I like Cymatics, man. Shout out to Cymatics. They have quality drum kits, man, like for real. So Okay, let's see. So with the hi-hat, usually, I mean, it's not easy playing the hi-hat here, you know what I'm saying? So I don't really play my hi-hats here unless if I'm playing on Logic, because I can use that note repeater thing. But, you know, just make it simple. Click on your hi-hat and then select fill 2 steps. And then you can open the piano roll. Now and then you can just, so it's not too plain. So you can just choose maybe random ones and then extend them a bit like that. And then you right click and say chop. You see, so now at least it gives it a bit of a, you know, bit of a groove. Then you put it here. So sometimes you must confuse the enemy. When they think you're gonna bring back the hi-hat the same place where you put it previous time, put it at a different place, you know what I'm saying? Show them that, you know, they can't get you, because music is like playing with people's minds. All they have to do is just try and predict the next instrument or the next grid. But we make it more fun by making it as hard as possible. We make it hard but still nice, you know. It mustn't be predictable, but it must still be nice, you know. Rather be predictable than not nice. Okay, that's great. So now I can just remove all of these ones, just copy and paste, you know. So I'm gonna go select with the pencil tool, just extend this one. I want to extend it because I want to copy it easily. So I extend it there, take the scissor, cut it with the right click, just hold right click and hold it down. It's gonna cut it. Then I can just select this, all of it, and then Control B. It's all about working as fast as possible. Cool, enough playing. Let's go get an 808 right now, you know. We'll see the rest later. Let's go jump straight to the 808. So cymatics, but no, this one needs that just an 808. It's a very dirty 808. So let's see. Oh, ish. Nice. So remember, I was playing these keys like this. Know what I'm saying? So it means even on the 808, I can play around these keys and it will still sound right. You'll see now when I go to the 808 and I play just a bit. It still sounds on key. You know what I'm saying? So if you don't want to play keys, 808 keys that are off key, just make sure that you play them around the main piano keys. You know, these are the ghost channels. If you can't see ghost channels, then you just need to go to, I think it's view. And then somewhere around here, you see ghost channels. Yeah, so then it can show you all this to guide you. But of course, you're not gonna put it here. You're gonna do it and then take it up because this is a very low octave. So let's record this with the MPK Mini. Let's go. Okay, let me play this here. Damn, snap. You see, when you play the 808, you gotta feel it, you know what I'm saying? Okay, let's also Control A, you know what I'm saying? Quick quantize. So now what I can add is just maybe add a young percussion. Okay, let's see. Sometimes you don't need it, you know, but let's just see. not gonna add that. Let's keep on searching, you know. Sometimes you gotta be honest with yourself. I love that. So I'm gonna put it on my FPC. I'm just gonna duplicate this one because I just duplicated because I don't want to go edit all over again. So let me find an empty channel, drop this here, and you can drop it at 2 places in case you want to play like this. I'm gonna drop it here and here, you know, so I can be like, you know what I'm saying. Let's see. Got it. Who still remembers these nuts? Okay, see how this sounds like. Damn, every time when I play this thing I almost fall off my chair because I'm bouncing. Undo that. Why this so okay? Oh, why so many? Okay, let me undo it because before I quantize it I need to actually zoom it in. For some reason if you zoom it out it quantizes, like, you know, with short spaces. So quantize again. Making the beat with the MPK Mini only, but definitely if there's something I want to add here, I'm gonna do it. It's all about the beat being dope. Okay, cool. So now we just need like a second melody to like support the piano a bit. Well, you don't have to, but sometimes I just do it because I like being extra sometimes. You see, so this is, you'll see once I pick it up now, we're out here. Ooh. Cool. You know, now I think I got it. Let's record that. Okay, cool. Let's get it. Quantize that. I might have messed up there at the end, but I know what I wanted to do. So remember, just zoom in a bit. Then let's go. Okay, cool. So I just copied that, duplicated that. You see what I'm saying? So, okay, wait, let me, yeah, just copy that, duplicate this. There we go. Ooh, well, oh shit, what the fuck? Okay, damn, so my battery, damn, so my camera ran out of space, but I'm done with the MPK Mini. Let me just quickly pick it up for y'all so you can hear how this is supposed to sound. And I'm gonna definitely finish up this beat and put it in the description below. Let's go. It's gonna start like this. Hey. There we go, man. Shout out if you like the beat and if you learned a bit about the MPK Mini, definitely like the video and hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one. Our Reggie Beats. Peace.